Alright, so we're going to start drawing ISO block 2, and I've already made a new component. So remember, when you start a new shape, you go new component. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start this drawing from the side here. And I'm going to do it behind the first one. Or actually, I'm just going to turn the first one off so it doesn't affect the first one. And this drawing, I'm going to start by making a line. So we're going to start with the line tool that's 6 tall. And then I'm going to make that line go over 2. And I'm going to look at the drawing and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the bottom here, I'm going to make a line that goes over 5. And I'm going to connect this line that goes over 5 to this line that goes over 2. So I'm going to connect these. So I made a line that was 6 inches tall, made a line that was 2 inches over, a line that was 5 inches over, and a line that connected them diagonally. I'm going to hit finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude this block out 8 inches. And I'm going to hit finish sketch. So that gives us our slanted face here. Now this part, the secret to doing it is to actually draw it from the back and extrude it right through the block. That is the quickest way I have found to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sketch in the back, like so. And I'm going to draw the general shape that we got here. So I'm going to make the general shape out. Zoom in. And then I'm just going to start adding dimensions accordingly. Like, I know the distance from here to here is going to be 4. I know the distance from here to here is going to be 4. I know the distance from here to here is going to be 2. That's my first issue. I know the distance from here to here is going to be 2. Now this is an issue because I know the distance from here to here should be 1. And that straightens it out. So you see how that straightened out that issue? So this is totally dimensioned now. So we have no problems with the back piece. We got the 4, the 4, the 4, the 2, the 4, the 2, and then the from here to here is 1, which means you don't have to dimension this, and you don't have to dimension this. So we're going to hit finish sketch here. I'm going to spin it so I can see the back. And I'm going to click on this box. And I'm going to make sure that when I'm doing this, I'm going up through as a join. Now you can see it's got a negative on it. That's fine. And I have to go and look and see how far. So this is 5, and then it goes 1 more. So we actually want to go through this -6. So right there I do -6. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to zoom out, and that's that block. If I turn on the other one, you can see it's still there. So we're just going to scoot this block over a bit so it's not hitting the first one. The most accurate way to do this is actually probably to look at it from like the top and then the front and move one plane at a time if you want to keep them all lined up. But that is totally on you. Okay, so this is ISO block advanced number 2.